Now what if I want to lock this video track, like the entire videos over here? I do not want anything to be changed. I want it to be as it is. So we can see this icon here of lock, which says toggle track lock. So what I would do is I would click here, and as you can see this black kind of thing, which means our layer has been locked. So now I won't be able to select this video footage or move here or change its duration or anything, or insert any video track or any kind of media on my layer video 3. I can use this, I can move this, I can do anything, but if I'm clicking it here, it is not allowing me to select this video clip. And in order to unlock this, I need to again toggle this. This has been unlocked again, and now I'm able to select, move, drag whatever I want to do with this video on the particular layer. Now we would come to our audio panel. So if you want, you can also customize this by dragging here when this icon comes, and even if you want to expand any kind of video here, you can also do that by just going to the video layer and just dragging it up. So if you see that this particular layer on this video footage has been expanded, I don't want this, I would stick to the normal. And now I would drag this audio too much as I want to see the audio waves in depth, in details. So this audio is playing, same coming here, it says unlock as we have seen earlier, and this one stands for mute. If we click here, it would act as the icon of the video layer. It would not play the audio, but it would play the video. So if you can see here, the video is playing, but there is no audio. I would uncheck this as I want the audio also to be played. The audio is playing here. Now I would like to add or copy the same kind of audio. Let me see if I have any. Yeah, audio here is one audio I have here. So what I would do is I would click here and I would drag it here. Yeah, here. So right now, as we can see, these both of the audio tracks are playing on audio 1 also and audio 2 also, which I don't want, as it doesn't looks nice if two videos or if two audios are playing at the same time, because it is overlapping. So what right now we would do is we would unlink here the first audio. Would click here on unlink by right clicking, and I would slow its duration or decrease its duration, and I would now play the footage. It's a nice peppy audio track which is playing here. Now what I would do is I would take this to here. So right now these both would be playing at the same time. Now what if I want only the recent audio track which has been inserted on our audio track 2? I just want to play this and I do not want to play this. One option, as I have shown, is by muting this layer. Our first layer is not playing. Now both are playing. There is one more way of not muting this. What I can do here is If you can see here, there is an icon called S, which means solo track. So what if I click here? This would play only the second track. Yeah. So basically this means all the tracks which will be inserted in maybe audio 1, audio 2, audio 3, or as many layers we have, it would only play the track which has been solo. At right now, at this moment we have our audio track 2, which has been soloed, so it would only play the track which is on our audio layer 2 and not the other tracks. The other tracks will be muted. As you can see here, the track is here but it is not playing. I would just remove solo in order to show you the difference. If you notice, both the tracks are playing now. I again clicked solo here. Yeah, so both are playing. So the audio is playing perfectly fine, and I would just remove this solo. And right now, if I want to add one more audio track layer, what I do, I click here, same, and I say add track. So 1, 2, 3, and if you notice, audio track 4 has also been created. It's the same way as video as we have seen earlier. Right now I would right click here and delete the track, as I do not want this. And if I want more tracks to be added, so I would say add tracks. Video tracks, I would say add 0, as I do not want any video tracks to be added. And I would say add or 2 or rather 3 audio tracks here after audio 3. Track type would be standard, as I do not want a 5.1 or adaptive or mono kind of audio track. Yeah, so if you see, after 3, 4, 5, 6 have been created, as we had selected 3 layers to be added after video 3. So 4, 5 and 6 videos have been layers have been created. And not now what I would do is, what if you are running out of space, or if you have a kind of low monitor which is low in size or which is small in size, so you can go here and say panel group settings, maximize panel group. So now it becomes very easy if you want to work here in our timeline panel, and you can work accordingly to your preference. Yeah, as I was telling, we have got this 4, 5 and 6, these 4 layers. So now I can even move this audio track to any of my layers I want, and I can have multiple kind of audios here which can be inserted as a background music or a kind of music effect or something if you want to add according to your edit. You can add here. Now I would delete this track, or I can say delete tracks. So it would ask me video tracks if you want to delete, or you want to delete audio tracks. I would say audio tracks, all empty tracks. So it would automatically delete all the empty tracks. So over here, apart from 4, 5, 6, we also have a track which is audio 3. So it would remove that also. And now we will click on OK. Yeah. So as we see here, we are only left with only 2 layers, audio 1 and audio 2, as all the different layers which have been deleted were empty layers.